Each member of the band receives their own personal, individualized drill sheet, which contains their specific members' locations or coordinates for the entire marching show. Reading the drill sheet can look intimidating, but once you understand how the information is laid out, it will be a piece of cake. The first section to look at is the set number. A set is the page or picture you are currently making. A marching show is made of dozens of sets to be more entertaining to crowds. The more sets, the more movement, and the more pictures the band will make. The next section is the move or count section. This tells you how many beats or counts it will take to get to this set. Side A, side B tells you which side of the football field you will be on. It also tells you which yard line you will be on. This will be the horizontal coordinate. Back front tells the performer which hash to use when marking off. There are two hashes, the front hash and the back hash. This will provide the vertical coordinate. Let's apply this information to the football field. Looking at the football field from above is an easy way to understand the drill sheet. At the bottom it says Director's Viewpoint. This is where the tall tower on the field is and where the director will be looking down from above. For the rest of the video, we will be looking at the field like we are the director. The 50-yard line is the middle of the field. Anything to the left of the 50-yard line is side A. Anything to the right of the 50-yard line is side B. If the coordinate says outside a yard line, that means you are moving away from the 50-yard line. Inside means you move towards the 50-yard line. It is important to note that when you are setting your own coordinates, you will be on the field looking at the director. When you are on the field looking at the director, side A will be on your right side, and side B will be on your left. The front sideline is located at the very front of the field. The next line is the dotted line. This is the front hash. The next line is the back hash. The final line is the back sideline. Each square on the map represents 4 steps. Let's find our spot for set 1 from the drill sheet. First, read the side A, side B section. 1 step outside B 45-yard line. We need to find the 45-yard line on side B. Remember, side B is on the right side of the 50. Here is the 45-yard line, side B. 1 step outside means take 1 step away from the 50-yard line. Remember, each square counts as 4 steps, so it will only be 1/4 of a square. The red line indicates 1 step outside the 45-yard line on side B. Next, read the front-back section. 12 steps behind front sideline. This means take 12 steps away from the front sideline moving toward the back of the field. The red line shows 12 steps behind the front sideline. The point where the 2 lines intersect is your spot for set 1. Now on your own, find your spot for set 2. 2 steps inside side B 45-yard line. 8 steps in front of front hash. Pause the video to allow yourself adequate time to determine your spot. If you determined your spot is here, good job! When you are setting drill on the field, time efficiency and accuracy are crucial for success. Remember that this is a learning process, and the faster and more comfortable you are at finding your spot, the more drill the band can get through and the more fun you will have. If you have any questions, please ask your section leader for help.